Hello kids, welcome to English class. Last period we have learned the poem name Traffic. I hope you have understood. Let us continue the reading comprehension. Turn the page number 76. I am going to read the filling the blanks here. Question A. Fill in the blanks. First, the dash dash is like a street during dash dash. The dash dash is like a street during garden walk. The garden walk is like a street during summer. As we have learned, during the summer time, all the people walk on the street like all the insect move on the garden path, garden way. Second, the dash run up and down. Who run up and down? The bugs. The bugs run up and down. Third, the dash is like a slow bus. The caterpillar is like a slow bus because it has many legs, so it's move slowly like a bus. Fourth, the bugs never have a hit each other, means never collision. Question B. Answer this question. First, why does the garden path look like a busy street? Why does the garden path look like a busy street? Why? Because all the insect and bugs were moving on this path, so it is look like a busy street. Answer. The garden path looks like a busy street because so many insects and ants are going up and down on it. All the insects, so many insects as well as ants also going up and down on the way. On it means on the way. Question 2. What do the ants look like? Answer. The ants look like shiny taxis. How the ants look like? The ants look like shiny taxis. Third, the ants are fast. Who is slow? Answer. The caterpillar is slow. Okay. So ants are fast, and who is the slow? The caterpillar. Caterpillar is slow. Fourth, why does the caterpillar look like a bus? Answer. The caterpillar is long and has many legs which look like the wheels of a bus. The caterpillar is long, has many legs. It has many legs. It is long, which look like the wheels of a bus. Caterpillar looks like it has wheels of a. It look like the wheels of a bus. Fifth, why is the poet sure that the bugs have a special vision? Why the poet is telling why he is sure bugs have special vision? Answer. The poet is sure because the insect never collide with each other. Yes, they never hit each other. They never attack each other. So they have a special vision. Okay. Now let us move towards the vocabulary corner. Okay kids, now we are going to learn adjective noun combination. Means we speak many words. We add adjectives before the noun. For example, narrow pipe, soft cloth, tall man, heavy rain. So here rain, man, cloth and pipe. These are the nouns, and highlighted word with red color, these are adjectives. Narrow pipe, soft cloth. Soft cloth. Do you know soft cloth? Soft, very soft, which our hands getting when you use use the cloth, when you touch the cloth, it feels very soft, it feels smooth, so we can say soft cloth. Tall man, heavy rain. So heavy it is the adjective and rain it is the noun. So heavy rain it is the adjective noun. Tall man, adjective noun. Soft cloth, adjective noun. Narrow pipe, adjective noun. Some adjective can be used with number of nouns. Some nouns we can use number of nouns. Some adjective we can use number of nouns. There. Look at the words. Heavy, heavy it is the adjective. Nouns. Heavy traffic, heavy load, heavy bag. Okay, these all are nouns. We use heavy before the noun. Strong person, strong wind, strong words. Strong rain, sorry, heavy rain. Strong bull, we can add strong bull. Soft feather, music, cushion. Soft pillow, soft velvet. We can add the nouns here. Sweet voice, sweet milk, sweet child. We can add more noun here. Sweet, sweet puppy, sweet baby. Okay. Sweet corns, sweet corns. Okay. You can add more nouns before the, you can add adjective before the noun. Okay. Or you can add more nouns after the adjective. This is the adjective, we can add more nouns after the adjective. Sweet voice, sweet milk, sweet child, sweet corns. Let us continue the question here. Look at the question. In pairs, write the nouns which can be used with these adjectives. Which can be used with these adjectives. Choose from the box. We have to choose the nouns and complete the lines. Before the, after the adjective we have to write noun. The same noun can be used for the more than one adjective. One has been done for you. Loud music, loud voice, loud color. We can add, we have to complete soft music. We can choose here. Soft skin, soft voice, soft weather, no, soft hands, soft hair, then soft wind. You can add soft taste, soft smell, taste, soft drink. So I am writing here soft music, skin, soft voice, soft hands, soft hair, soft wind, smell, drink, soft drink. Third, warm skin, warm music, no, warm voice, warm nails, warm weather. So I am writing here weather, warm weather, warm hands, warm color, warm wind. No, we can't write it warm wind. You can write warm wind also. Warm day, warm sun, warm taste, warm drink. Okay, we can't write warm drink. We write warm weather, warm hands, warm wind, warm day, warm sun. Smooth skin, smooth music, smooth voice, smooth nails, no, smooth weather, smooth hands, smooth hair, smooth color, smooth animal, smooth wind, smooth tea, smooth day, smooth smell, smooth sun. So no, wrong. Now let us move to the strong music. Strong skin, no. Strong voice, strong nails, strong weather, strong hands, strong hair, strong color, strong wind, strong animal, strong tea, strong smell. Okay, you can add nouns before the, you can add nouns to the adjective. You can add more noun. Okay, it's called adjective noun. Dear kids, after watching this video, you have to like this, click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Okay, till up to bye.